Hey Akshay,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you? I asked, how are you?
Ma'am, you're frozen.
I'm frozen up.
Now you're moving. Yeah.
That's
Now
because I
I
was not
introduce.
looking there. I was looking somewhere else. So yeah.
Oh, I thought you were frozen.
No, I am not. Oh, where am I? Yes. Oh, today luckily I got to log in from my laptop.
Yeah, finally.
Yeah. So what I did, I went to the website and then logged in from there. But then again, that was not logging in. Then I logged in from my phone. And then after like 15 minutes, it said join the meeting, and then I was able to. So this implies that I should join like half an hour before the class starts.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay,
can you hear that?
I've sent you the PDFs. Do not share with anybody.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I never share.
Okay, that's a very, I don't know, very
Full
good
stick
or
to you look. Full stick to you look today with that pencil in front of the camera.
what?
Like when you said don't share, you're holding that the stylus in front of the camera. It looks like one teacher holding one scale. It's like
Huh?
don't share.
Okay, yeah, so please don't share because that will put me in a big jeopardy. So do not do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Uh, so where did we stop last class?
We finished the chapter.
We didn't.
I
That's
know we didn't. I know we didn't.
yeah.
I'm
Uh,
smart. I realized we didn't finish the chapter.
uh, you're testing me, huh?
No, ma'am, I know we didn't.
I was just thinking which session. Okay, I remember mitochondria.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so you shared everything until the last session.
No, I have shared all the sessions of respiration and plants.
Hmm.
Since you wanted to write a test on Tuesday, I will send the cell today by EOD mostly.
Oh, you sent the direct Byju's only.
Yeah, you didn't open the PDF.
Oh no, ma'am. I will open it like when I'm writing
Very
notes.
nice. That itself you didn't open. Then why do you think I said don't share? I was able to
Oh
download it
yeah,
as
now
a
I saw
PDF.
the cover page. It said Byju's class, Byju's class.
Yeah, yeah. I was able to like, but you won't see the speaker notes, the notes that are written at the bottom. So you
Yeah,
need
that
to,
I know. That
yeah,
only in the that presentation mode.
yeah. So for that sake only, I was trying to give it to you as PPT, but I wasn't able to do it. And I realized that if I start copy pasting and sending you, it will take a lot of time for me, which I don't have.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Very busy. Pooja ma'am is the busiest teacher.
hey. Hold on now, breathe out. I am already viral. Uh, where am I? Where is the chapter? I can't find the chapter. Oh yes, I found it.
Today I don't know why I have mood to chill properly.
You have a mood to
Chill. Just don't do anything. Just chill.
just chill. Go and sit in the fridge.
Not like that, ma'am. Like
That was supposed to be a joke. You're just supposed to laugh at it or ignore it.
I know, I know.
Thank you. It says I have to upgrade my Zoom. Okay, I'll upgrade it later. Oh, basically it is a chill chapter, no? So it's okay.
Yeah, today whole day I didn't have any tuitions. I cancelled all tuitions today
Why?
because I wanted to chill.
Nothing can be done, my son. God bless you.
Like I couldn't even attend physics JE today morning.
Very nice. நல்லா வருது, நல்லா
No, but that is not because I had to chill. That is because I had one tutor who is stubborn, said he'll only come at that time in the morning or he won't come at all. So I was like, I had no choice, so I had to miss it. Even Tuesdays, like the thing is they keep switching sometimes. No, so that's the problem.
mm, okay.
Like every day I wake up at 6 and start studying from 6:30 to 8:30. I have tuition.
Mm,
Monday, Wednesday is the JE class.
mm,
So those 2 days only I don't keep tuitions. But then
okay.
most of the time they keep switching. Monday they'll tell math, Tuesday they'll tell physics. Means I can't attend.
Very nice.
So sad. Today I had proper mood. It's a whole day. The weather was so good, gloomy
Mm,
weather. It was only 20 degrees. Chennai people wouldn't know. I'm sorry.
Mm.
But yeah,
It's okay. Anyway, this is nothing like you have to, there's no nothing very technical. You just need to listen and remember. That's it.
um,
It's not a big deal at all.
we
You
finished
already
nucleus.
know major things. Huh? What?
We did till nucleus, I think.
No, we finished that. I think
We
we have to
finished all
start
that also, nucleus.
mitochondria.
No, ma'am, I think we finished mitochondria.
I didn't teach you. I remember.
Ha, Popeye.
Popoy and Popoy spinach. But yeah, what the concept says is wrong. But yes, if you need energy, we have already seen mitochondria, right?
Yeah,
It's called the powerhouse of the cell.
powerhouse of the cell.
Yeah, see, these were the things that I wanted to discuss about. So last class we finished nucleus structure, what are the
Hmm.
types of chromosomes and everything.
Hmm.
And this also, what is the difference between euchromatin and heterochromatin?
What, ma'am?
Euchromatin and heterochromatin.
We didn't do that.
We did that.
Oh, euchromatin is this thing.
Mm. One chromospacer. என்னடா வளர்ற?
Ma'am,
I taught you very well. I taught you
ma'am.
about nucleosome.
Ma'am, see,
I'm seeing.
euchromatin has like the structure only is like very, very loose.
Okay.
Heterochromatin is like one like ma'am, wait.
I'm waiting on it. Tell me.
Hmm. Ma'am,
Mm.
so
Finished Googling?
not coming only. Ma'am,
I know.
heterochromatin is the area of the chromosome. Oh, euchromatin is light stain, heterochromatin is dark stain.
This why you don't remember we discussing this is because towards the end you lost your attention. That's why. And we discussed
No,
this
ma'am,
towards the end.
towards the I didn't get PPT, no, ma'am, that's why.
Oh no, don't blame the PPT. You didn't pay attention.
Okay, ma'am, I did. Ma'am, today 1 hour only, no?
Yeah, till 9:15. We started at 8:15.
Friday we'll do 1.5 hours because Saturday we did only 1.5 hours, no?
Yeah, sure.
Because Friday will start at 8 itself, so 8 to 9:30 proper.
Friday. Yeah. Okay. Okay, done. We'll do
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Okay, now coming to mitochondria. I think I already gave you a gist of how mitochondria looks. Like, when we discussed about one topic. Which topic was that? Like,
Oh, glycolysis.
like cellular respiration itself. I talked
Sorry,
about.
respiration in plants, not glycolysis. Krebs cycle, oxidative phosphorylation, all that happens in mitochondria. No?
Okay. So, oh shit. Just a second. Let me get my charger. Okay.
Mom's phone is about to die.
Yeah. So I'll in brief discuss like the structure of um what and what like where plastids and mitochondria, and then we will see it in detail. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you need to remember, the first thing is that these things are all like both mitochondria as well as plastids. They have their own DNA,
Mitochondria and
and
plastids
plastids they have their
have
own
their own
DNA.
DNA.
Yeah, unlike other organelles.
Mm.
So ideally speaking, in our cell there are three organelles which has the DNA. One is nucleus.
Nucleus, plastid, mitochondria.
Yes. But nucleus DNA is used for the entire cell, but whereas
And
mitochondria uses
plastid
its
and
own
mitochondria
DNA.
DNA is used only for that particular organelle.
Yes, and they have like mitochondria has its own ribosome. Even plastids have their own ribosomes. Okay, that's why they're
Such
called as semi-autonomous in nature. They can function like partially on its own. It's not like they have dependent on the nucleus for their function.
such pros.
Okay, yeah, I know, right? So, is it not working? Oh, it's working. Oh, where is it? Draw. Okay. So when we talk about this, again, they both are double layered structures. So if this
Hmm.
is one membrane, okay, the inner membrane of mitochondria is going to be folded. Okay, and these folded membranes are called as cristae. What are they called as?
Christe, we learnt.
Yes, we learnt. Okay, so if I take a portion of this cristae here, let's say like this. Let's say there are
Hmm.
two cristae like this. On top of this cristae only, we are going to have that F1, F0 particle. Remember? We studied.
F F1 F0 particle. We studied in this chapter.
Yes. Yes. So we studied that, right? So that particular particle will be there on this cristae. Okay. Is this clear? Okay. And then
Hmm.
whatever is inside the cytoplasm, we call it as a mitochondrial
Wait,
matrix.
F1 F0 we studied in respiration in plants, no?
Correct. Yes. Where
RIP.
was that? It was on the cristae only, no?
Christe only. You told
Yeah.
it has one more
Now
name, no?
F1, F0 only. It does
Hmm.
not have any other name.
Oh, okay.
Uh, okay. Then when we talk about plastids, again, plastids are also double membrane, but this is a structure of chloroplast. Okay.
Hmm.
Now remember the structure very well because we will be needing it in photosynthesis chapter.
Now only you're going to draw.
I'll tell you both the structures together so that I can just continue with the class, the PPT. Yeah. So when you talk about chloroplast, both the membranes are stretched. They are not folded, unlike
Hmm.
mitochondria. So this is your mito, and this will be
Chondria.
the chloroplast.
Chloro.
Okay. So what is the speciality of chloroplast is that it has certain disc-shaped structure like this.
Hmm.
Okay. Each disc-shaped structure is called as a thylakoid. Have you heard this term before?
Thylakoid.
Thylakoid, yes. It's a
Each
very
disc-shaped structure inside a chloroplast is called thylakoid.
thylakoid, yes. And it's a very important structure because photosynthesis happens in two steps. One is dark reaction, another is light reaction.
Hmm.
And whatever is necessary for that light reaction is present in this thylakoid.
Hmm.
Okay, but this thylakoid is not a single, like, have you seen CD, like normal CD?
Normal CD.
Yeah, like just a round CD stacked up one over the other.
Yeah, I have at
Same
home.
way, these thylakoids are a disc-shaped structure and they are
Hmm.
stacked one upon the other like this. And this entire structure is called as granum.
Thylakoid are stacked one over the other like CDs, and the entire structure is called granum.
Granum. And the plural of granum is grana.
Oh, I thought you were going to say granula.
No. So there are several granas like this in the cytoplasm of your chloroplast. And cytoplasm of your chloroplast is called stroma.
Stroma, yes, I know that one.
Okay. And there is a structure which connects these two granas together. And that structure is called as stroma lamellae.
Stroma lamella, I know that.
Okay. So later on, we will be learning that something called as photosystems. So one of the photosystem is present in the lamella. So you should
Hmm.
remember the structure very well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is all about in summary of mitochondria and plastids. I mean chloroplast. Chloroplast is a type of plastid. Okay. And you need to know the structure of chloroplast alone. The remaining plastids you don't need to know. Okay. So now we will go to. I'm gonna kill you if you put any filter today.
Nothing I'm putting.
Yeah, you are in a chill mood. I'm in a cranky mood. So
Why?
beware whenever I am in a cranky mood, you should be very careful with me.
Oh, Pooja ma'am, full strict. Strict
Yeah,
side of
I
Pooja ma'am is going to show
generally,
today.
yeah. Then the minute things just trigger me, and yes, I tend to be even more rude. Okay.
Ma'am, but the max teachers do in our school and on max they'll just leave the meeting.
Max?
Like in school, if we annoy the teachers,
Uh,
like they'll kick us out. They'll send up the max they'll do is send us to principal,
uh,
something like that. But in
oh,
online class, they can't do anything. The max they can do is just leave the class.
oh, you don't have any clue. I never send my students out of the class. I become very sarcastic and I insult them to a core where they will be like, oh shit, I want to just end my life. Yeah.
Ma'am, don't insult me, ma'am. I'm such a nice
Yeah,
student.
there are two ways, because if I send you out, or if I just say I'm not going to take a class, what will happen? You'll happily enjoy only.
Yeah,
Yeah.
chill.
So it's
Already in
best
chill mood.
best way is to make you feel guilty about what you did. So be sarcastic, and especially if
Even
they're
I'll be
crying.
sarcastic.
That.
Now the thing is, if teachers are sarcastic, even I'll be sarcastic.
Oh, I see. Let's see whose sarcasm wins then.
Don't want, ma'am. Don't want to see strict side of puja, ma'am. Full strict.
Uh, uh,
Ma'am, I can imagine you wearing spectacles and all with one stick
oh,
in school taking class. Full strict version of puja, ma'am.
okay. Never mind. Why do you have such an ideology of school? So sad. Okay. Yes, but yeah, you'll not get this life back again, though. School life is the best
Yeah,
life.
last year of school, no farewell, nothing.
Okay. Fine.
You have to chill at home, it seems.
Yeah, virtual farewell you can have.
Like beginning, it was fun, but now, like after some time, too much it's been now. Like too much at home now.
Yeah, that is also there. But like this kind of a vacation, we will never get. So it's good.
Yeah, but I've become a proper neat student. I don't go out anywhere. Even though everyone calls, I only sit at home, study. Even today I went out. That's why I joined late. I was walking back home slowly.
Sudhitru, nalla Sudhitru.
No,
Okay.
ma'am. Good
See,
boy.
these introductions over here, we have already seen of what mitochondria can actually do. So we don't need to, you know, go through it again and again. Mm. And by the way, what this picture is also, I'll tell you. Here, can you see this screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Something is coming up like a monster. No.
Mm.
So actually, have you heard of meristematic cells?
Mm.
So on the tip of the plant, there's always
Mm.
these meristematic cells which are present.
They'll only grow.
Yes, they divide. That is why your plant grows
Mm. Yeah.
in root and shoot tips. And that growth is only shown as GIF here. It's
That
apical
growth is.
meristem. This GIF over here, no, on the screen
Mm.
is apical meristem.
Oh.
So when
That
cells
red color
divide,
thing. That red color thing.
yes, and when cells divide, definitely more energy is required. So rate of respiration is always higher in the case of
Plants.
not plants. It's higher in the case of an embryo or a germinating seed or something that is growing or a cell that is dividing.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, like that. Okay. Now, see, like another example why where mitochondria helps is this bird flying here. Why is this bird flying? It's basically the bird for the flight also it needs energy, and that energy is also provided by mitochondria. Okay.
Yes,
For your
ma'am.
heart to beat, also we need energy. That is also being provided by
Or the
mitochondria.
mitochondria.
Yeah, so mitochondria is not there means we're going to have a tough time. Okay. So as I said, this is the structure of your entire mitochondria here. I hope you can see this.
Ribosome matrix, outer membrane DNA, F naught,
Yes.
F1,
Yes.
F0.
The space between the outer and the inner membrane is called as the intermembrane space.
Yeah, we learned that.
Yes, and we learned that how hydrogen ions get pushed, ETC
Oh,
cycles and
yeah,
all this.
electron transport chain.
Correct. Okay. So this is the basic structure of mitochondria. And again,
Hmm.
mitochondria has a double membrane. Unlike nucleus, mitochondrial membrane is continuous. Nucleus has gaps called as day. I'm asking you.
Ah, you don't know it is continuous. I'm waiting for your next statement.
No, I asked you that nucleus, the gap between nucleus is called as.
The gap between nucleus is called a nuclear pores.
Okay, very good. Okay, now when we talk about the next thing to know about it is like outer membrane, like any other organelle, here also the outer membrane is semi-permeable.
Ooh.
Okay. And it also contains like proteins which help in the transportation of substances in and out. If you remember, when I talked about plasma membrane, I told you that proteins are the ones who help in transportation across the membrane.
Mm.
Yes, here also in the outer membrane of mitochondria, there is a structure which is responsible for the transportation of substances, and that structure is made up of protein.
Mm.
Okay. Then the next one is when you talk about inner membrane is less selectively permeable.
Inner membrane.
Yes, that is
So
the folded
mitochondria has double membrane. Outer
yes,
membrane is selectively permeable. Inner membrane is less selectively permeable.
and it is folded in the form of cristae.
It is folded in the form of cristae
Why folding?
because to increase the surface area.
Yeah, thanks for reading it out. To increase
No,
the
ma'am, not
surface
reading,
area.
ma'am. Everywhere it is to increase surface area. Even in lungs,
But
alveoli
why?
increase surface area.
Yeah, I understand. But here, why?
Surface area for energy production. In alveoli, it is surface area for exchange of gas. Intestine, it is surface area for absorption.
Okay. And in brain?
Surface area increases for processing information.
Okay. Fine. Then, as I said, the particular inner membrane is going to consist of F1, F0 particles.
Particles. Oxysome.
Or
Yeah, oxysome is the other name for F1, F0.
I didn't mention oxysome when I taught.
When I Googled it up, I saw.
That's right. I know.
No.
I was wondering where this guy heard this extra name, because I didn't
Oh.
mention it. I remember.
See, from now I'll stay away from my laptop. So you know I'm not Googling, I'm genuinely answering.
Uh,
See, I was sleeping all this while in sofa and just listening.
nice, da. You came for some Netflix movie here.
Ma'am, I was legit. I was planning to watch Netflix, then I realized, oh, class is there.
Oh, so sorry, sir. I disturbed your schedule.
Fine, ma'am. Neat is greater. Neat's importance is here. Other things are here.
I wonder that is still there or not.
Yeah, it's here only, always.
Yes,
Pooja
the
ma'am's
other
class,
things
always
are there. Yes,
priority.
the other
Pooja,
things are
no,
there.
not even neat. Pooja ma'am's class.
Pah, pah.
Neat.
Uh, I'm on
My
top of
other
Burj Khalifa.
priority.
Don't put me down enough. I've gone to greater heights now.
But the higher you go, the greater the fall.
Yeah, exactly. I don't want that because I'm pretty sure I'll fall in between. Yes. Um, just kidding. Yes. So I'm now going to go ahead with a lot of information about this F1 F0 particle. All that we have to understand is like it has a head part and a extended part. So basically, this extended part here, if you can see, this is the cristae. Can you see this small thing in a pink color shade?
Yes, ma'am.
That is going to be the like the particle.
Protrusion.
Yeah. So basically, if you see the one that is the body that will be inside the matrix,
Hmm.
and one part will be inside the inner membrane.
Oh, one will be inside the matrix, one will be inside the inner membrane.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
That is your F1 particle will be towards the matrix.
Okay. And
That
F0 will be towards the inner membrane.
yes, F0 is the base which will be in the inner membrane.
Hmm.
Okay. Then we'll come to the next part. What do they want to say? Yes, as I said, they have the entire thing will be filled with cytoplasm.
Hmm.
We also call it as mitochondrial matrix.
Hmm.
Okay, and the space between the inner and outer membrane is also called as mitochondrial membrane because it's on the periphery.
Oh.
Okay, so that's the logic there. There's nothing much to it. Yeah, why we call it as a matrix? Like other places we call it as cytoplasm. No.
Matrix is usually the center, like the important part of a code.
Yeah, like a matrix is something which has a mixture of things.
Hmm.
Okay, so unlike your normal cytoplasm, here you also have several other, pigments and enzymes involved. So that's why that cytoplasm inside the mitochondria is called as matrix. Okay, So what all does this matrix do, or what all does it consist of? So it consists of enzymes and proteins. Okay, and majorly those enzymes and proteins are involved in your reaction. Which
Hmm.
reaction?
Respiration.
Respiration. Yes, and it has a DNA of its own, and the DNA is circular in nature. Okay,
Circular
and
DNA.
yes, circular DNA. And the next important information you need to remember is they have a 70S ribosome.
We learned 2S, no, 70 and 50S.
70 and 80 we learned.
80S.
In prokaryotes, there is 70, and in
In
eukaryotes,
eukaryote,
it is
there
80.
is 80.
Okay.
Hmm.
But mitochondria is present in eukaryotes, no? Shouldn't
So,
it have 80, but it has 70? Okay.
why?
Because of this, there is a small theory which is associated with evolution.
Hmm.
Okay. So the theory is called endosymbiont theory. I hope you know. It's better you note it down. Endosymbiont theory.
1 second now. Where is? Mm, yes, ma'am.
Symbiont theory.
Symbiont. Symbiont, right?
Symbiont. Yes.
Theory.
Theory. Okay. Now, you've heard this term called as symbiosis, no? Symbiotic relationship.
Yeah, between algae and fungi. One
That is,
depends on, they both depend on each other.
they both depend on each other. They can't survive without each other. No. So,
That
uh,
clownfish or something. Clownfish and one more.
sea anemone and clownfish. Okay.
That anemone and clownfish.
That anemone. Yes. Nice.
Heteractis something.
You should have seen in Finding Nemo if you have watched sea anemone.
It is some scientific name is some Heteractis something and Amphiron something.
Sea anemone and
Clownfish.
clownfish. Okay.
Like sea anemone. Ma'am, but sea anemone scientific name is something. No, Heteractis magni something. Magnifera, I think.
Mangifera indica vada.
No. It is Heteractis magnifa and wait, Amphiron ocellaris.
I don't know why you are learning the scientific name. It's good if you know, but it's not important.
I know because I don't know. I just know.
You know because
I just remember. I don't know.
okay. Yeah. So what this theory is basically, endo means what? Inside. Okay. So it is believed that these mitochondria and plastids, no, they were actually a separate organism. Okay. But during the process of evolution, what happened is this particular, there was a eukaryotic organism which engulfed this mitochondria and plastids.
Mm.
Okay. Now, over the years, because of evolution, what happened was that this particular thing became a very vital part of the eukaryotes.
Mm.
Okay, that is who and who, plastids and mitochondria. They became a part of the eukaryotic cell. Okay, now it became like the eukaryotic cell cannot function without mitochondria.
The plasmids or mitochondria?
Not plasmids. Yeah, plastids, not plasmids.
Plastids only I told.
I
What you're
heard it as
telling?
plasmids. That's why I asked you.
Chloroplast, mucoplast, and one more is there. No, the under
Yeah.
plastids.
So that is what it. That's why it's called as endosymbiont theory. Okay. Did you get this? Yes. Okay. But again, it is not a proven fact. It is just a fact that they bought up because mitochondria has 70S ribosome, which is same as
So
that of your
we said that
prokaryotes.
earlier this was only present in prokaryotes and not in eukaryotes.
Which one?
Mitochondria.
Yes, mitochondria is not present in prokaryotes, but that is the reason why they consider mitochondria as a separate organism.
Yeah.
Okay, so they considered mitochondria as a prokaryotic organism.
Okay.
Okay, and they believe that a eukaryotic cell engulfed this prokaryotic organism. That is why mitochondria and has 70S ribosome, like prokaryotes. And they are living in harmony within the eukaryotic cell. This is a theory. It's not proven.
Yes, ma'am.
Got the logic?
Got it.
Okay, next one is, yes, as I said, they are
Wait, so ma'am, this
semi-autonomous.
is the last session.
Hmm?
Is this the last session?
No, there are 6 sessions totally to it, I think. Yes.
Wait, what?
There are 6 sessions in this chapter.
So this is the fourth session.
I think so. I don't know. I have to check. This is the
This is
third session.
session 3. But according to the textbook, I think we're done. Wait, there's still mitosis, meiosis. That part is there. Are you talking about that? But that does not come under this chapter, no.
Listen, I want to complete this particular thing today, okay? I'm not
Oh.
going to take this session anymore. I want to complete it. So we have a little half an hour more. So you need to complete it. Focus. Okay?
Focus.
Then we can talk after some time. Okay? Now, there's a difference between being autonomous and semi-autonomous. What is the difference?
Autonomous is like no one knows you. Well, that's anonymous.
Autonomous means completely on its own.
No, what is auto? What? No. Autonomous college means it's separate. Like they have their own
It's
this
not
thing.
dependent on the government.
They have their own this thing, own syllabus, own
Correct.
like
Correct.
Jipmer. Also, autonomous is own.
Like
own
they are not commonly connected with
like
anybody
it's
else.
not like CBSE.
Correct.
Autonomous college means it won't follow the like the board like which normal medical governments.
Yes, yes.
follow.
But semi or autonomous means they will be partially here and there, associated with something else. So when you talk about mitochondria has its own genetic material and ribosome. So therefore, it is semi-autonomous because it needs nucleus for its survival still. It can function on its own, but it is not completely independent. It's still dependent on the nucleus for its function. That is the reason why it's called as semi-autonomous and not autonomous. Okay. So as I said, because of the presence of ribosome, it can produce its own proteins, it has its own genetic material, and it divides on its own during cell division.
Oh.
And yes, this is another reason. See, it divides by fission. Fission is
Binary
seen
fission.
yes, fission is seen in which organism? Prokaryotes, no. Most of the
Bacteria.
prokaryotes undergo fission, right?
Fission, exactly.
Yeah, so that is another reason why they thought that mitochondria was actually a prokaryotic organism. Okay, now let's see what is this. Did you know? Yes, this is a fact.
Thanks, mom.
Yes, because
Hi, mom.
the
Oh,
gene
my
for your
mitochondria is
mitochondria comes from your mom. For all the whether you're a boy or a girl, the gene for your mitochondria comes from your mom. So if you didn't get that particular gene, then you won't be sitting and dancing there like that. Yes.
I'll be like
You
this.
won't have energy and you can't survive without energy. So I think that makes sense.
I'm gonna cry.
Cry, cry, cry. Cry a little more. No.
No, ma'am, don't want. We'll finish this session or else you'll kill me.
I'll kill you.
Responsibility.
Yeah, question time. What are
Oh,
the
favorite time.
favorite time? Okay, tell me.
Mitochondria are obviously called as powerhouse of the cell.
It's easy peasy, no? I know. You don't answer
Okay,
this.
suicidal bags is lysosome.
Correct, yes. Okay, what is this?
Ribosome is protein house.
This is
This
solar
is
panel.
solar panel.
Yes, they harvest light energy.
Have you seen these? You might have. These are solar panels.
Yes, okay, great. Same way, these are the solar panels.
Green leaves full of magic molecules called chlorophyll.
Yeah. So basically, your green leaves also do the same work as solar panel. They harvest light energy and they produce food.
Converted into chemical energy first.
Chemical energy, yes. Okay, and that process is called as photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. There's light and dark reactions in
Yes.
photosynthesis.
So since we are going to talk about plastids, we should also know that one of the plastid is responsible for photosynthesis, which is chloroplast.
Chloroplast. Leucoplast is color of fruit.
Why did this name plastids come from? Like, what is it all about? Why plastids? See, it's very common, very similar to plastic bags, no?
Hmm.
So basically,
Even I
what
was
you
going to say because they're made of plastic, they're similar to plastic, but
they
I
are
thought
not
that'll be
made
so
up of
stupid.
plastics. Like,
No,
what is
I
the
was going to say like,
use?
is it similar? Is it related to plastic? But then I
Yeah,
thought it sounds so
it
stupid.
is
But
like your plastic bags, okay? Like, why do you have plastic bags?
uh,
You
to
carry
carry stuff,
things in it.
yeah.
Same way, plastics also carry pigments in it.
Hmm.
And that's the reason why they got their name plastids. I
Okay,
hope
ma'am.
that is clear. Yes. Now, there are three types of plastids: chromo, leuco, chloro.
Chrome. Oh yeah, this I know.
Okay. Now, I will
Chromo
tell
is
you.
responsible for color of this thing. Leuco, color of fruits. Chloro, color of leaf.
No. I'll tell you something. Wherever you hear the term leuco, remember this: it's colorless.
Sorry. Chromo is color of fruits. Leuco is colorless. Chloro is photosynthesis.
Yes. Okay. So that's why the name leukocyte. Leukocyte is what cell?
Blood cell. WBC.
WBC, white blood cell, right?
Hmm.
Because it is colorless. That's the name why it got its name leuco.
Hmm.
Erythro means red blood cell.
Yeah.
Okay. So leucoplast here refers to a plastid which is colorless. That means it does not have any color pigments. Chromoplast means it can have any other color pigments other than maybe green or, you know. And chloroplast has green color pigment
Hmm.
majorly. Got the difference?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, chromoplast, if you see what are the pigments it contains, carotene and
Xanthophyll.
xanthophyll.
Yeah, I know this. Xanthophyll
Yes.
and carotene.
So carotene is something like, your yellow shades or orange shades.
Hmm.
Okay. Xanthophyll is all the other colors.
Other colors.
So the color of your fruit and flower is because of this chromoplast, as you said, right? The next is leucoplast.
Not
It's
store
colorless
nutrients.
and it stores nutrients. So it's carrying what? Instead of a pigment, it's
Hmm.
carrying nutrients. Okay.
Nutrients.
Now, there are different types of leucoplast depending upon what they carry, and this is very,
Oh,
very important.
aleuroplast, protein, amyloplast, carbohydrates.
Yes. Wherever you see the term amylo, it is associated with carbohydrates.
But amino is associated with proteins.
Amino is associated with proteins only. Okay. And elio here refers to lipids.
What refers to lipid?
Elio.
Okay, that means fats.
Mm.
So amyloplast example is like potato.
Yes. Potatoes will have, the plastids will have starch.
Aleuroplast is like all the protein, cereals, pulses.
Mm, 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 mm. Okay. So depending upon
What is
what that.
elioplast then? For elioplast, what is there?
Oh, no wonder. I was wondering how you are saying all this. You're reading from the bottom. Huh?
What bottom?
It was given in the speaker
What
notes.
bottom? No, I'm not reading. I didn't even read from there. I'm asking you what is
Smart.
fatty
Ra.
fruits or
I'm proud
vegetables?
of you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I was just checking
I
again.
didn't read only.
That's what I'm proud of you. I'm not
Potato
being
is
sarcastic.
carbohydrate. No, so I told potato.
Yeah, yeah, good. I'm not being sarcastic. Don't worry. If I am, then I won't accept. Stop screwing your hair.
From tomorrow, I'm planning to put one pony and sit in class.
Do whatever you want. As far as you are paying attention, I'm fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so what are the three types of leucoplasts?
Leucoplast, aleuroplast, elioplast, amyloplast.
Hmm.
Amyloplast for see, I'll close my eyes and tell.
Hmm.
Amyloplast for carbohydrates, elioplast for fats, and uh, aleuroplast for protein.
Very good. So this is very important. That's why I'm asking you to repeat it again and again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is yes, chloroplast. It's wherever you see green plants, they are
There we see
chloroplasts.
chloroplast.
Yes, yes. Okay, and it contains chlorophyll as well as carotenoids.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and Again, when you talk about the structure of chloroplast, the structure of chloroplast can vary in different cases. The one we saw was a common thing about chloroplast, but the chloroplast can be different shapes. Say, for example, here you see this image. Can you tell me which organism this is? The cup-shaped one.
That
Don't see the this one.
which ma'am? I only don't know. Wait, which one are you talking about? The oval shaped,
Mm.
cup shaped, cup shaped, cup shaped.
Mm. Your
Chlamydomonas.
yes, chlamydomonas, and
Clama- Chlamydomonas.
chlamydomonas. What
Chlamydomonas.
shit? Chlamydomonas, ade.
Chlamydomonas.
So
Hey,
whichever you feel comfortable.
chlamydomonas.
As far
Chlamydomonas.
as you tell it correctly, I'm happy with it. Yes. Next, what about
No matter what you see, I can see what you have written down.
huh?
No matter how much you zoom in, I still can see what you have written down.
Yeah, I know you can see. That's why I zoomed out.
You have to go into presenter mode, then only I can't see. Only you can
Yeah,
see.
I know. I realized it. That's why I zoomed out.
It's called smartness.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. What about okay, so since you can there's no
Now I see
point.
a purple screen. I don't see anything.
Yeah, that's because yeah, okay. Now so spiral is seen in Spirogyra, okay, and
Hmm.
Ulothrix has girdle shaped.
All
Ulothrix
this I need to
is girdle.
memorize.
You don't need to remember it, but anyway, you will be studying about these organisms, so it's good that you remember it. And
Okay,
if
ma'am.
the image is there in your textbook, it's important that you remember and understand what that image is. Because this
Yes, ma'am.
chlamydomonas picture is there in your 12th also. It's
Chlamydomonas.
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 Oh,
I'm
yes.
fixed. Ma'am, wait. I will legit Google this and put
Ah,
chlamydomonas. Wait. Pronunciation. Um, it's pronounced as chlamydomonas. Wait. I have a video. Wait.
on this channel. Well,
Ma'am,
right
can you hear
now you will
it?
see how pronounce this word. The word you see is sounds like chlamydomonas.
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 it's chlamydomonas.
I will repeat it more slower.
See,
That's that's what he said.
Chlamydomonas.
he said chlamydomonas.
Oh, by the way, do you know English?
Chlamydomonas.
Yeah.
You know something called as proper noun?
That's all.
Yeah, you can pronounce it however you want. You know, I used to call my friend a dog. I'll be like a proper noun. I can pronounce it however I want.
Oh, funny. That's not what it means.
I know.
Yeah. Chlamydomonas.
Okay, ma'am. You don't need to attack saying you know English. I was like,
Ah, yeah. Pooja,
it's
1 point.
it's
Akshay,
chlamydomonas.
0.
He says chlamydomonas. He says that.
Because he's singing.
Ma'am, he's saying chlamydomonas.
Okay, the same logic. Like whenever we say me, we say my, no, and whenever we say my, we
So,
say my, no.
ma'am, so instead of puja, I can say poja, ma'am.
No, I have a double O. I don't have a single O.
Yeah, but POO means po.
Yeah, but when you have double O, it is poo.
Yeah, puja, ma'am.
Yeah, if I had a single O, you can say Pooja, but yeah.
Poja, ma'am. Poja, ma'am, I tell.
Akshay, no, you're not scoring. I got 1 point. You're 0.
Ma'am, but if your name was Poja, it'll be fun because Po means go,
Yeah.
Ja means go. Your name basically means go. It'll be so fun.
My parents didn't want to kick me
Didn't
out.
want you. That's what you could just say go.
Yeah, I know. But still, you're not scoring.
I got a point, ma'am.
Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, ooh.
Ma'am, it's
Yes.
chlamydomonas. You said
What
some
are we?
chlamydomonas and all.
I said chlamydomonas.
Yeah, it's chlamydomonas.
Chlamydomonas. pronunciation. I don't trust you. Okay, why are we discussing this now? I need to finish.
Mom, you just got distracted.
Yeah, thanks to you. And just yeah, my room. Okay. Anyway, let's just continue this. Okay. So yes, as we discussed earlier, the structure of your chloroplast, it has a double membrane structure, and the cytoplasm is called as stroma.
Stroma.
And yes, the dish-shaped structure is called as thylakoid. And each thylakoid stacked upon each other is granum. Many grana
Granum.
called as grana.
Grana.
Each grana is connected by a stroma lamellae.
Stroma lamella.
You've seen
Lamella.
this twin towers, no?
Hmm.
The twin towers are connected by something in the center, no?
Hmm.
Same like that. Okay. Then yes, apart from that, they have ribosome. Chloroplast is having its own DNA called chloroplast DNA. Okay. These are the major things that you need to know. It's just as I said, stroma is nothing but the cytoplasm. But here again, it is also a matrix. Like how mitochondria had other substances, same way stroma also has the circular DNA, a 70S ribosome, starch granules, enzymes, and thylakoids. What did mitochondrial matrix have?
Huh?
What did mitochondrial matrix have?
70S ribosome.
And
What does this have?
what all it had?
The folds.
Mitochondrial matrix I'm asking about.
Cristae is the fold. I'll give one hint.
It had proteins and enzymes.
That's all.
Yeah, that's
You won't
it.
give any hint.
And it had its circular DNA also.
It had his own circular DNA.
Same way, chloroplast also has a circular DNA,
Circular
ribosome,
DNA.
enzymes. Apart from that, it
And-
has thylakoid and starch granules.
Granula. Granule is the whole thing.
Starch granules are small stone-like
No,
structures.
no,
with
no, no.
starch.
No, these circular discs are arranged like CDs. They all make together granula, two granula
That
connected.
is
into granule.
granum, not granula.
Multiple grana is called multiple granum is called grana, and they're attached by lamella.
Stroma lamella. Okay.
This circular thing is called stroma.
Why is it called lamella? Because it's just a flat structure. And
Flat.
anything that is flat structure
It
is
doesn't
called
have any function other than attaching itself.
Yeah, it does have a function. It does have a function of when it comes to photosynthesis. We will see that time. Okay. And the thylakoids is where something called as quantosomes are present. What is it?
Quantosome.
Quantosome is nothing but photosystence.
Okay, I don't know what that is.
That is basically going to help in photosynthesis.
Wait, so what we're doing now is not in this chapter.
What we are doing
Is not in this chapter right now.
that is not there in this chapter. We are going to learn it only.
No, but whatever we're studying today is there in this chapter only.
Yeah.
So much is there in this chapter.
Yeah.
Isn't this a chapter called Cell?
Yeah.
That small chapter which I thought won't even matter and I didn't even study it in 11th.
Yes. That matters a lot with all the other chapters.
Yeah, I thought anyways in about all this I learn in other chapters. Leave it off.
But
When I
you're
look
still
back
not
at
able to
11th, I
answer,
sometimes
no?
wonder how I passed.
Yeah. Okay, anyway, stroma lamellae is also known as fret channels.
Fret
Fret, F-R-E-T, fret.
channels.
Yes. Okay.
Such a nice name.
I know, right? So yeah, here's a gif of how it looks. Okay. Then yes. So if you break a particular chloroplast, it will look like this. Anyway, this is not highly significant to remember.
How many slides, ma'am? Totally this thing?
Sorry?
This session? How many slides totally this session?
It's almost done. Okay. So when I talk about plastids, plastids are also semi-autonomous like your mitochondria.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And when we talk about plastids, What are the three types of plastids we discussed?
What?
What are the three types of plastids?
Chloroplast, leucoplast, chromoplast.
Okay. And plastids also same like mitochondria, since it has its own ribosome, it can produce its own proteins. And since it is like has its own DNA, it can divide on its own. Is
Yes,
this
ma'am.
concept clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, did you know? What did you know are they talking about? Let's see.
Question time.
This not question time. This is the what? This is the theory that I spoke about, endosymbiont theory.
Wait, let me go to my, yeah, that's endosymbiont theory.
Yes. So I told you, no, like, so they believed that mitochondria and plastids, okay, were earlier prokaryotic organism. Which
Hmm.
prokaryotic organism? They believe mitochondria was a aerobic bacteria.
Cyanobacterium.
Uh-huh. Mitochondria was aerobic bacteria.
Oh, okay.
And chloroplast is cyanobacteria.
Oh, okay.
Okay, wow. So what they thought was the eukaryotic cell engulfed one cyanobacteria and aerobic bacteria.
The
And then later on, due to
the
evolution,
eukaryote, what, ma'am?
a prokaryotic cell, a eukaryotic cell engulfed
Engulfed.
aerobic bacteria
Hmm.
and one cyanobacteria.
Hmm.
I should say bacterium because singular. Okay.
Hmm.
So over a period of time, they started living within the eukaryotic cell and they became a part of the eukaryotic cell, like a symbiotic relationship. And therefore, you can
Oh.
call them as a
Symbionts.
symbiont, endosymbiont. That is what is shown in this slide. Okay. Now, question time. Yes.
Not periplastidal space.
Mm. What is periplastidal space? I didn't mention it.
It's space between two plastids.
What was perimitochondrial space?
Peri.
Mitochondrial space.
Oh, peri means outside.
Yes.
Uh, then mitochondria. So outside the mitochondria, it is that space between only again. That is also space.
Space between what and what is my question?
The membrane.
Intermembrane space is also known as perimembrane.
Intermembrane between outer membrane and inner membrane. Membrane space.
Okay.
Correctly, I've told no.
So what is the answer?
Again, membrane. So it has to be. It is not. It can't be lamellae. It can't be periplastidal space also. I think it is stroma, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's a soma only.
Okay.
Anyway, when we learn photosynthesis, you will learn it in a detailed manner. So it's okay.
So,
Okay. So with that, we are done with this particular session. Since we have like 10 more minutes, I think we can start with the next session. What's it? Noah, yes, sir.
today 50 minutes enough. Next class we'll do 1 hour 10 minutes.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Next class, you said 1.5 hours. Don't forget.
So 1 hour 40 minutes we'll do. So 10 minutes of today's class also you can add it off.
Nice. I understood. If after this, if I take, you're not going to listen at all.
Ma'am, you're frozen.
Yeah, yeah. I'm not frozen.
Ma'am,
You
you're
are frozen.
frozen.
I-
Oh, you can see.
Okay.
Hi.
Anyway,
Ma'am, you're frozen.
hi. Okay, I think it's time
Ma'am, you're
that we
frozen.
should leave. They okay, da. I know you. I can hear you.
Oh,
Now he started with this filter. Wait, today I'll update my. Hey,
ma'am,
nice
it's not
bird.
for people. It's only for
Nice
students. not
bird.
for
That bird
teachers.
is nice. It's better than your specs, wala.
Sunglass.
Uh, okay. Okay. Cool then. I'll see you next class on Friday. You will write a test this Tuesday for
Okay,
respiration.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I will write.
Okay, I'll then set a question paper for you.
Yeah, I know it'll be such an easy question paper because I'm Pooja ma'am's favorite student in Epsilon Academy.
And you're the only student here.
That's what I was gonna say.
Okay. Cool then. Take care. We'll meet on Friday.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am. I'll become a successful doctor, then everyone will regret taking JE instead of NEET.
Okay, done. Do that. Yeah. Then I'll come to you for treatment.
Oh,
Free treatment.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Yeah,
Good night.
sure. Bye. Good night. Enjoy.